Hello and welcome. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like success is just out of your reach, no matter how hard you try? It's frustrating, isn't it? But what if I told you that the key to success could be in your hands right now? Not in the way you might think, but in something as simple as numbers. Now, I know this might sound unusual, but bear with me for a moment. What if the power to unlock fortune is tied to a series of numbers, waiting for you to discover and use them? Some of you might be skeptical, and that's okay. But there's a growing belief among people that these numbers have a certain energy or vibration that, when harnessed, can change your life forever. It's not magic, it's the law of attraction, focused intention, and the right mindset. Let's explore how you can use these numbers to bring that winning energy into your life. To start, you need to understand that numbers aren't just random. In many cultures, numbers are seen as symbols with specific meanings. Whether it's numerology, astrology, or ancient practices, numbers are seen as the building blocks of our universe. Think about it, everywhere we look, numbers are guiding us. Time, dates, addresses, phone numbers, they're all part of the greater energy flow in our lives. So why not tap into this flow in a way that aligns with your goals, like financial success? The numbers I'm talking about today are not ordinary numbers. They carry an energy that is believed to have the power to influence your destiny, including helping you win in the lottery. Now, I know you may be wondering how this all works. The process might sound simple, but its impact is profound. It's all about placing these numbers into your wallet. It's a simple act, but one that many people believe sends a powerful signal to the universe, activating the energy around you and aligning it with your desire for success. So, what numbers should you be focusing on? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer here, but there are certain numbers that have been linked to luck, wealth, and prosperity. You've probably heard of the number 7, considered one of the luckiest numbers around. It's not just a coincidence that there are 7 days in a week, 7 continents, and 7 wonders of the world. This number represents completion, fulfillment, and harmony in many spiritual practices. And for those of you who feel a connection to it, it might be the right number to carry in your wallet. Another number that's often associated with abundance and prosperity is 8. In Chinese culture, the number 8 is considered to be extremely lucky because it sounds similar to the word for wealth. People believe that carrying the number 8 can attract money, success, and fortune. It's a number that symbolizes power, balance, and material success. If you're serious about bringing financial prosperity into your life, you may want to consider including the number 8 in your wallet as well. Next, we have the number 3. This number is often seen as a symbol of creativity, communication, and growth. It represents harmony and the ability to manifest your desires. Many people believe that the number 3 can bring opportunities and open doors that lead to success. By carrying this number, you might be aligning yourself with the forces that help you grow and attract the right opportunities, especially in your financial endeavors. Now, let's talk about the number 1. It's a powerful number, representing new beginnings, leadership, and achievement. People often associate the number 1 with ambition and success. Carrying it in your wallet could symbolize that you are ready to take control of your life and step into a new phase of prosperity. It's the number of initiations, the spark that ignites change. For those of you who feel ready to make a fresh start in your pursuit of wealth, the number 1 could be the perfect choice. And let's not forget about the number 9. This number is often linked with endings, but in a positive way. It's about completing cycles and bringing things to fruition. When you carry the number 9, it could symbolize that you're at the threshold of achieving something big, like winning the lottery. This number can be a reminder that the end of one phase is simply the beginning of something even greater. So, now that you know which numbers to consider, what do you do with them? The answer is simple: carry them in your wallet. Write the numbers down on a piece of paper, or perhaps find a small card or charm that represents them. Put these items in your wallet and carry them with you wherever you go. This small, intentional act could serve as a reminder to stay aligned with your goals and keep your energy focused on success. But it's not just about the numbers. It's about the belief and intention behind them. When you place these numbers in your wallet, do so with a clear intention. Visualize what you want, whether it's financial freedom, winning the lottery, or simply achieving your dreams. The power lies in your belief and the energy you put behind this action. When you believe that these numbers are bringing you success, you're opening yourself up to receive the abundance that the universe has to offer. It's important to note that this isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about aligning your actions with your beliefs. When you carry these numbers, you are signaling to the universe that you are ready for success. But it's also about being proactive. Whether it's purchasing a lottery ticket or taking steps to improve your financial situation, you need to take action to make your desires a reality. The numbers will help guide you, but it's up to you to take the steps necessary to achieve your goals. Some people have reported incredible success after using this method. They've won the lottery, received unexpected windfalls, or simply found themselves in the right place at the right time. Is it all coincidence? Maybe. But many believe that by carrying these numbers with intention, they are aligning themselves with the energy of prosperity and opening the door to greater success. But let's not get carried away with just the lottery. These numbers can be used for any area of your life where you want to see success. Whether it's your career, relationships, health, or personal growth, the numbers you carry can serve as a constant reminder of your goals and your potential to achieve them. It's about staying focused and positive, knowing that the universe is on your side. Remember, it's not just about carrying the numbers in your wallet. It's about the energy you bring to the process. Stay positive, stay hopeful, and stay focused on your goals. Believe in the power of these numbers, and know that they are helping you align with your highest potential. So, what's the next step? Well, it's up to you. Start by choosing the numbers that resonate with you the most. Write them down, place them in your wallet, and carry them with intention. Keep your focus on your goals, stay positive, and trust that success is on its way. The universe is waiting to support you in achieving your dreams. The idea of using numbers for success goes beyond just placing them in your wallet. It's about how you interact with these numbers and allow their energy to flow into your life. This practice is grounded in the belief that we are not simply passive observers in the universe but active participants in creating our destiny. Every step we take, every choice we make, sends ripples into the fabric of reality. So, when you choose to carry these specific numbers, you're doing more than just holding a piece of paper in your wallet, you're making a declaration to the universe that you are ready for abundance and success. These numbers are tools that help you focus your mind on the possibilities ahead. The power lies not just in the number itself, but in your intention and belief. When you choose a number like 7, for example, and carry it with you, you are symbolizing that you trust in the natural flow of luck and opportunity. You're also declaring that you believe in the potential of what's to come. The universe, energy, and abundance all work in ways we may not fully understand, but by being in alignment with that energy, you can unlock a path that may have previously seemed impossible. Another important aspect of using numbers for success is the practice of visualization. Numbers carry a vibration, and when you visualize success, you're amplifying that vibration. Imagine that the number you're carrying in your wallet is a beacon, attracting the energy of wealth, success, and opportunity. Visualizing the kind of life you want to create, while focusing on that number, helps solidify your intentions and strengthens the energetic connection between you and the success you're seeking. The power of visualization, combined with the energy of these numbers, creates a potent combination that can transform your life. It's important to be open to receiving. Sometimes, when we desire something, especially something as significant as winning the lottery or attaining financial freedom, we can get caught up in trying to control every aspect of how it should come to us. But the key is not to force the outcome but to remain open and receptive to whatever opportunities may come your way. Carrying these numbers in your wallet can serve as a constant reminder to stay open to the universe's flow and trust that whatever is meant for you will come in the right way and at the right time. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to give it a like. Your support helps the channel grow, and we'd love for you to be part of our journey. Also, make sure to subscribe to stay updated on more content like this. We have plenty more valuable tips and strategies to help you unlock your potential and manifest the success you deserve.